All right, guys, this is our FRQ week 8 notes. We're going to be covering FRQ 2018, question number 4, letter C. We're going to be doing a trapezoidal sum with an average value. So the chart up here is giving us the height of a tree over a certain number of years. They're asking us to do a trapezoidal sum with 4 subintervals from 2 to 10, but the big part of this question is finding the average height. Now, we recently learned about how to find the average value. The average value of a something, in this case height, can be found by integrating that height on the interval that they're interested in, and then multiplying that by 1 over the difference between the upper limit and the lower limit. Okay, so in other words, we want to find 1 over 8 integral h of t. Now, the way that we're going to find the value of this integral is with a trapezoid sum. Okay, so let's begin doing the trapezoid sum. We have from here to here is 1, from here to here is 2, and from here to here is 2, here to here is 3. My first trapezoid has a height of 1 with bases 1.5 and 2. So we do height over 2 times the sum of the bases. My next trapezoid goes from here to here. That one has a height of 2. So we divide that by 2, and then we add the bases. My next trapezoid would be here with a height of 2. Divide that by 2, and the sum of the bases. And then finally we have our last trapezoid here with a height of 3, divide that by 2, and the sum of the bases. Okay, now this is an FRQ, so we don't actually need to simplify all this. So what all of this here represents is this integral, but we have to include the 1/8. So I'm going to put a 1/8 in the front of it, and that's our final answer. You could simplify it and get an answer there, but that's what it would be. Okay, so there you have it. It's an average value where we estimate the value of the integral using a trapezoidal sum. The units would be in meters. So once again, if you wanted to actually calculate all this out, you could, and it would come out, your answer would be some amount of meters. That would be the average height on the time interval from year 2 to year 10. All right, so hopefully that was helpful. We'll let you guys do the next one on your own.